Hi, welcome to Palettes, Pouts, Perfumes and Panning, and this is the second part of my panning challenge with the Project Panning for Beginners group, which I run on Facebook, and I was panning 9 polishes and a nail straightener for 2021, and when I was finished each I was going to add another one in. So if you'd like to watch this video, stay tuned and I will show you what I've panned. So there was 9 mini polishes, and the polishes are Nails Inc and 1 nail straightener, which is the Sally Hansen. Now I used up 4 of the nail polishes, and that was the Ballerina Pink one. I just finished that one today. I finished the Rose Gold, although it's quite hard to see, but it is indeed empty. Sorry, that was Ballerina Pink. Beg your pardon. That was the red one that I wasn't too keen on, and that was the tan one that I didn't like because it was very yellowy and the red was very orangey. So what I done was I said I would use the ones I didn't like first and then go on towards the ones I do like for the summer, which are the lighter shades. Now the problem I had with them was the Ballerina Pink was quite nice. The Rose Gold, I got 2 days out of it without it chipping, and that was with a base coat and a top coat, and then it chipped. The colour I absolutely hated, which was the yellowy tan, I got a full week out of that one. So that's the reason there has been such a gap between the updates. It took forever. The red I put gold on top of and used it like that to use it up, because on its own I didn't like the shade. So 1, 2, 3, 4, they're gone out of my collection, and without the panning challenge I wouldn't have used them up. They would have been just discarded. So I have that one, which is a kind of a heather colour, kind of a grey. The one I really liked, which was the brownie pink, and that one, which is a burgundy with a shimmer. Now I did use this once or twice during the challenge, and the problem with that is the exact same as the Rose Gold. 2 days is the most you'll get out of it without it cracking. It cracks and it just shatters. Now remember, they did do a polish called Crackle at one point, Nails Inc, and that is almost the same effect you get from these shimmer ones. And if you want to find out how I got on with this, I'll be back in 1 second. Thank you. So I was also going to pan the Sally Hansen nail straightener, and I was going to use it as a base coat underneath the polish, but it didn't work out that way because it wasn't great as a base coat. So there's that much panned out of it, which is very little. Get a better idea when you look at it like that. There. So I have it on my nails tonight, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it twice a week for the next 4 weeks, solely this, to see does it strengthen my nails, because they have been breaking and I have to, some of them grow and some of them break off, and I have to keep filing them down so they all look equally the same length. So I'm going to give that a full 4 weeks, twice a week on its own and nothing else, and see does it indeed strengthen them. And if not, well then it's just a useless product in my opinion. So I have 4 minis to go. Now I know that one will go quite fast because I'll have to use it every second day. I'll have to reapply it. I have 2 coats. There's very little longevity left in that. These ones will take me longer. And the thing I've discovered from doing this panning challenge is that even those little tiny minis that you would look at and think, oh, they won't take very long to get through, they actually do. They take quite a while, because this one that I didn't like lasted a full 6 to 7 days, so in 3 months it left very little time for the rest. If they had been full, I wouldn't have gotten through them so fast. So that's my update on my Project Panning for Beginners Polish Pan Challenge. 4 gone and 4 to go, and then I will replace them with some more. And for the next 4 weeks, solely the Sally Hansen Nail Strengthener. And I will update you again in a month's time on how I got along with this. So if you enjoyed my little panning challenge, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. So if you enjoyed this video and you like the idea of panning, go over to Facebook and consider joining my group. It's Project Panning for Beginners. And if you enjoyed the video, give it the thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And I put out content as and when I find something new, or the notion just hits me, to be perfectly honest. Different content, reviews, panning, disappointing products, fragrances of the stars, lots and lots of different things. And I intend doing some new things coming into the summer. So if you're interested, subscribe, ring the bell. And my name is Tracy, and I would be glad to have your comments in the comments section if you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.